Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of October 24th through the 30th. This is the classic size horizontal planner that I use as my safe space for hand lettering quote practice. Not actually lettering practice, but just to write quotes that are separate from my actual planner. So if I mess them up, if I have little spots of whiteout, if I don't space them right, that kind of thing, I'm getting the comfort of writing in a planner, but it's not my main planner. So anyway, enough about that. I'll show you a filled in spread from last year at the end of the video so you can get some idea. So the theme I'm going with this week is basically, so these are all the themes I know of. I decided to go with Halloween because I just got this sticker book, and I'm still trying to use a lot of sticker books that make it through all the different sticker books that I got this year, because I got a bunch. And so I got the Tim Burton Nightmare Before Christmas. This is the 60 pager that was only 20 bucks from Walmart. So it took, I'm not very good at using the Walmart app. I don't know why. It's not very intuitive to me, but I did finally figure out how to search on who had this in stock. And I think probably all of us have at least one Walmart around us. There are several within an hour drive of me, and that's exactly what I had to do. I had to drive an hour to get to a Walmart that had this. But it was worth it. 20 bucks for 60 pages. That is crazy. So anyway, since we have yellow on the page, I want to try to go with stickers that are yellow-y. I also want to try to use clear stickers because I do a lot of blackout spreads for Halloween, and the clear stickers don't work for blackout spreads. So, and then I also think I want to stay away from the Christmas stickers that are at the end of the book. And I'm not going to do a flip through of this because there are many flip throughs of this on YouTube already. So I want to try to, I think, go with stickers that have some yellow and maybe some purple, because purple is the best counter color to yellow. So I saw this Oogie Boogie. While I was talking to you, I whited out notes and whatever this said, I white it out almost every week. But basically what I do is I write one big theme word down here, and then all of my quotes tie into that theme word, and I just do an internet search. So let's put Oogie Boogie on there. This is, again, a clear sticker. It's got a lot of dark yellows and stuff, and he's got to be crooked. So I'm going to stick him at the bottom of the page in the corner, kind of crooked, to get me started. There we go. All right. And then about 2 spaces per page, I like to give myself room, a box, so that I can write in who to attribute the quote to. So whenever a famous person, I know who the famous person is that said the quote, I like to include that piece of information. Credit where credit is due, you know? So there are box stickers. They are paper, but that's okay. Let's get past the Christmassy stuff. My gosh, this book is just so stinking cute. Let's find a paper sticker. This is a gray one with a little Sally there. Looks like these are my only, oh, I can write right on a sticker like that too. Oval stickers. I haven't flipped through this book very many times, so I'm not super familiar with what's in here. This is a really dark purple one. I want to put it here and cover up this whiteout with it. Here's a nice gray one with. Let's go ahead and put this one on there. Again, nice and crooked. Now it does say plans there in white. I don't know if you can see it, but we can cover that up with something. So everything's going to be wonky on this spread because it's Halloween. And let's find a little something to fill in this space. That's got the mayor. So let's stick with the mayor's pages. Is there anything clear? Oh, there's more Oogie Boogie. Well, the mayor didn't have very many pages, did he? You're going to get a good look at this just because I'm going to flip through it a bunch of times, I'm thinking. Okay, Mr. Mayor, we need something. You're hard to see there, so actually let's pick one of these. Meh. Chipper. Let's pick a, should we pick a yellow one or should we pick, let's pick a purple one just because I do want to spread it out. Happy, nope, meh. Chipper. I don't know why I like chipper for some reason. And so we're going to just put this here to cover up the word plans and to fill that in a little bit more. Okay, so next we're coming over here. So I think I want to find another box, but I want to go with one of the ones that's just an outline, maybe a purple outline. So let's pick a section. Okay, she's got lots of purple. I kind of want to save that. I want to do one that's like this and one that's like this on each page, and that'll give me 4. So I kind of want one that's just an outline next. I think Jack might be purple at the very beginning of the book. Okay, but he's got ovals. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. That's awesome. But I like this really, really dark one. Let's grab this one. And since it's got the corner down here, I feel like I want to go ahead and put it kind of down with the corner down. And then, but we need something up above it again. Super tall Jack. I like that one, like he's thinking, Oh, look at these. Again, not super used to this book. Oops. Want that to be gone. I could get rid of any one of those. Or I could stick it under. But 2 Jacks in one spot, is that too much? Of course I have 2 mayors in that spot. I feel like 0 should be with Jack. Maybe we could put a 0 on there. And again, just kind of cover that up. It looks kind of like he's looking up. Let's put 0 under here. If I can peel it up. Just the top edge. There we go. If you don't have a palette knife yet, I highly recommend you get one. Oh, he's got a pumpkin for a nose. Did he always have a pumpkin for a nose? I don't know. Okay, can we stick 0 under? So it's okay if a little bit of that banner is showing. There. That's cute. I like that. Jack and 0 together. Okay, so we need a Sally over here, I think. And then we could put the Oogie Boogie Kids on the other page. So Sally's got some yellow on her stickers, I think. Maybe the ones where she's with Jack. Yeah, like these. I think her main section is all red, or mostly red. Yeah. I don't need a box for her because I have 2 boxes on this page already. So pretty. I like her. She's got lots of yellow. Will that one fit? Yeah, it might. I kind of like this one too, where she's kind of looking back at whatever the quote is that I write there. That could be a good one. Let's put that one on there. This might be kind of a quick spread. Yeah, I like the way she's looking back behind her, like she's looking at the quote. And then I just want a couple stars or something. These are all pink. Let's see if we can find... Oh, I just flipped right to this page. Let's put a clump of these yellow stars on there with her. There we go. Okay. So now, since I've got the big Oogie Boogie down here, I kind of want to put the kids up here opposite of him. Either here or here. Let's go to the, there's a section where the 3 kids are together. Each kid has their own section, but there's also a section where they're together. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Oh, we got to put the duck guy on there too. Okay, well, I thought there was a section with all 3 kids together, but so the question is, do I want my quotes to be in the center again, or okay, so here are the kids, but if I want a quote box, there we go. She's purple, so that one could work up there. Or this frowny face, that is so super cute. And she looks, okay, I'm going with this one because she's looking towards Sally. Like she's scheming. Okay, and then something above her. I know that's not all 3 of the kids, so now I feel like I need all 3 of the kids. I guess if I could put, oh, there's all 3 of them. Darn it. That's okay. Just wondering if I could get 2 of the kids here and then a 3rd kid maybe on a different space. Can you tell I didn't plan this out very well? At least you're getting to see lots of the book. I should have used this one. Let's see if we can change it. Oh my gosh, these peel up so easy. That was crazy. There's all 3 kids. These peel up really easy. Good to note. Okay, let's put this one back, because I definitely don't want to waste it. So I kind of want a bigger one of these too. And since I've got the extra space because it's the very, very top of the page, let's do it. Let's go ahead and stick. Here I said I wanted to do clear stickers, and I'm not using clear stickers, but that's okay. Her hat's going to get chopped off. It is what it is. Okay. So next we're coming over here. Let's put the duck. Let's put the duck guy. I can't remember what his name is. We need to watch this movie again. This guy. Are there stickers with just him? There he is. There he is. Let's put that one on there. Coming up toward the 25th. Wow. Okay, so the plastic ones don't peel up as easy as the paper ones. So, hey, well, it's pretty straight and it's in just the right spot. So guess what? He's staying just like that. Okay, I need another. I'm kind of feeling like, let's see, I need a Jack. I could put Jack here. We need a big Jack. Jack's at the beginning of the book. It'd be great to use one that's looking that way because Sally's up there. Maybe this one. It's really tall, but since it's going to be close to the spine, it's okay. Let's use this one. So he's looking up at Sally. And I am lining his one leg up with the edge of the boxes so that it's not distracting because they're like not exactly lined up. And then let's give him some stars too. Like they're both starstruck. Aww. Okay, so I need one more box down here and I want it to be a filled in box. So So let's look for one. There's an orange one. That one could work. Kind of brown. Was there one with Jack? A purple one? Yeah, here we go. Here's a purple one. And then I think maybe I can layer something round with it again. It's a little bit matchy-matchy, but there's Jack again. Determined, excited, rested. What if I put Sally on there with Jack? Because I've got Zero on there with Jack. Let's put a Sally on there. Zero doesn't have his own box though, does he? What were the Zero ones? They're green. Yeah, that's okay. Looking for circles. Not all the sections have circles like that. Sally doesn't have circles. All right, we're gonna have to just grab a, it looks like only the Mayor and Jack have circles. I did not realize that. So let's just pick one of these. I feel like I want some yellow. Determined. Let's do determined. There. Okay. So that was kind of a quick one, but a book like this really makes it easy. So let me put it in my planner. This is an 18-month planner, so it's getting very, very lopsided, but that's okay. There we go. So there is my Nightmare Before Christmas Halloween spread with lots and lots of the fun characters. So let's flip back to last year. I am going to use these next year. The dates will be off by a day, but as you can see, I didn't write on all of these religiously because with my lettering practice, I just didn't need to do both. It was too much. So here we go. Here's an example. So you can see my keyword here is hard work. And so all of these have to do with hard work. So don't you dare give up. Do or do not, there is no try, Yoda. The expert in everything was once a beginner. Don't count the days, make the days count, Muhammad Ali. I am ready to face any challenges that might be foolish enough to face me, Dwight. Always deliver more than expected, Larry Page. Don't be busy, be productive. So that's just an example of how I use the space. You know, fine brush pens except for maybe down in here. So I recommend if you've been working on your hand lettering but you find that you aren't actually using it in your planner anywhere, I know why. It's the anxiety of not being able to erase or fix a mistake, right? I mean, the worst case, you got to cover it up with a sticker, and if you're writing really big, then you know, that doesn't leave you many options. So start something like this, especially if you've got a horizontal planner that you like, that you aren't using. It can even be a notebook. It doesn't have to be a planner, but just set yourself up a space so that you start using your pens and you raise your comfort level. I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.